If you don't like boring textbooks but still want to ace heart sounds, then keep watching. Alright, let's dive in. The heart produces four main sounds: S1, S2, S3, and S4. S1, the elub, marks the start of systole, when the heart contracts to pump blood. S2, the dub, signals the start of diastole, as the heart relaxes and fills with blood. Now, S3 is a bit trickier. It's often called the ventricular gallop and can indicate heart failure if heard in adults. S4, the atrial gallop, is less common but can hint at issues like hypertension or stiff ventricles. Remember, each sound provides crucial clues about heart health. So, next time you listen to a heartbeat, you'll know what's going on. Stay curious and keep those stethoscopes handy.